Hi, my name is JD, and in this video, I am talking about my skills, but I am introducing me first. My name is JD. I am 28 years old. I live in Guatemala City in Zone 12 with my parents, siblings, and my newfie. And I will say I am responsible, hardworking, I am very loyal, and I like to speaking in public and learn new things. In my weakness, I will say uh, I trust easily in the people, and my little experience working. I would say I work as a survey interviewer and also a Lorica company who customer service representative, and I did also sales online because I like to sell clothes for women. My qualification, I will say, I studied communication, and I have close pensum, and now I am professional broadcaster and also have a diploma of marketing digital because I love the marketing too. And my dream job is I would like to work in fashion industry because I love the clothes for women. I like to watch on YouTube videos or fashion weeks, for example, in Paris, New York. I love it, and I am consider me creative and with good communication for uh, my dream job, and I work well. I think so. I am ready for learn and grow in that career.